As I've mentioned, parent communication or parent involvement is an integral part of the Failure Free Reading program. There are 2 points that are available for you that will allow the parent to know what is occurring in the program and what they can do to help their child at home. The first is the initial parent letter that I've already discussed in another session, and the second is the parent communication packet, or as it's seen here in the electronic library, the parent pack. We click on the parent pack, we engage it, and you see that it starts with what we call a parent congratulations-ogram. Every story, every cluster ends with the parent pack. So in this case, what we're going to do is to inform the parent, first off, of the amount of sheer volume of work that their child has done in this one story. For example, the Failure Free Reading Program Orange level means your child has completed a story containing a total of 10 pages, 161 sentences, and 1,688 running words. We then talk about the other material that is also going to be sent with the packet, and then we also talk about the importance of praise and the notion that we have to congratulate the parent as well to bring them into the fold. And we always end with the postscript, please remember there is no such thing as too much praise. So the second part is more information pertaining to how the student did in that particular story. In addition to that, we give the parent a list of questions that they can use as a guide to ask their child after they've finished reading. Again, we say it is a guide, it's not a test, it's not homework, it's just a way in which they can let their child know that they, as parents, are interested in what they're doing. So we always ask factual, inferential questions, and we also state in there, accept any answer, give as much praise, say how proud you are, ask to be read to again and again, develop confidence, and always our mantra, which is there is no such thing as too much praise or too much practice. And then we ask the parents to send back what we call a parent returnogram. That goes back to you, and it's to inform you, the teacher, that they sat and read with their child last night, that they are proud of their child, that they know how much their child has accomplished in the completion of this story, that they've talked to their child about reading, they've told their child that they understand it takes time, that they've agreed to read every day if they can, they've agreed to read stories back and forth, they've agreed to talk about the stories, and it's key to last 4 sentences. We've also agreed to try the best we can. No one will be made fun of. No one will be yelled at. No one will be accused of not trying. And we end with our mantra, which is, I will remember there's no such thing as too much praise. If you cannot get the communication to go forward and backward, this is still a great activity to share with the parents when you're at IEP conferences, when they're coming into the room to discuss their child. So this is a nice way in which they know that you are committed to bringing them into a total school parent involvement. Great activity, great packet. Hope you enjoy it. Very, very, very powerful.